My parents got me this on New Year's Day 2020. It was a huge upgrade from my Hero 4 session after 3 years. Finally, I have a touchscreen, hyper smooth, and things that the Hero 4 session didn't have. It wasn't necessary to use a phone as a screen anymore with the GoPro app. It was a huge upgrade that I was expecting this year. I'm going on holidays again with this camera. Little did I know, in a couple months' time, pandemic ruined the plans. Instead, we stayed in the country, ended up lost in the woods for a short time with my mate Michael.
What's this for?
Look where he's standing at. Testing out the camera for the first time in 7 months. Literally, it was collecting dust. I'm pretty sure that you have come across this unboxing of the Hero 8 Black before. Now I'm going to share my thoughts with you on the new Hero 8 Black. It's your boy Cedric here, and welcome to my first tech review. GoPro turn on. With 12 megapixel and 4K 60 FPS video resolution, costs 329 quid. However, this comes with Hypersmooth 2.0. Hypersmooth was first introduced on its predecessor, the Hero 7 Black. Talking about resolutions, the Hero 8 Black has an all-in-one lens, should I say. We're going to put that up into test. On linear mode, sometimes I prefer to zoom without using its lens. You can zoom if you wish to do so. Also, you can change the quality of the photo. To take a photo, simply just press the top button, and when it blinks, it means it's saved into your gallery. The cool part is that it has voice control. It was first introduced on the Hero 5, which you can tell your GoPro to turn on and off or record or take a photo, which is convenient. However, you can only say commands that are only listed, which is found in settings. For instance, you say GoPro power on, instead you have to say GoPro turn on in order for it to work. GoPro turn on. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, start recording. If you're recording and your battery's dying, the GoPro itself stops the video to make sure that your footage is saved into your micro SD card and turns off with a warning. Each battery lasts 50 minutes. One costs 15 quid, but if you have old batteries from your Hero 5, 6 or 7 and you don't want to buy one, they aren't compatible. This is because each model has a specific battery that have certain amount of power needed. 128 gigs is a substantial amount of storage. If you want more than that, 256 gigabytes is the max. Video quality on the Hero 8 Black. First up, I'm going to try one of its presets called the cinematic mode, which you can enable Hypersmooth. I've enabled Hypersmooth and the footage has 4K video quality with 30 frames per second. This is activity mode on the GoPro Hero 8 Black.
This is like bang, bang. Orangutan.
In activity mode, you can also enable hypersmooth. In case if you don't know what hypersmooth is, it's GoPro's custom built-in gimbal, only available on the Hero 7 Black as standard, and the new hypersmooth 2.0 comes with as standard on the Hero 8 Black.
In a bit.
As you can see here, not so perfect, but it reduces the shakiness on the footage because hypersmooth is on. If you scroll down on the video menu, you can make your custom preset, like if you want to change the resolution of your video or how wide you want your lens to be, the color quality, etc. Now you're gonna see the video and audio quality of the GoPro Hero 8 Black.
No, I'm kidding, it's this way.
Look. I bet we didn't go through this way.
We did.
I don't remember how.
We did.
I don't even know. Luckily, we're not wearing flip-flops today.
Imagine you white and then you're just sliding down there.
How to catch a case.
Oh no.
We can just go up here. You know we can just, people are down there because there's a path. You serious?
Wow, are we supposed to go down there?
I don't know.
Ah, that could be! Oh, no, call him.
Oh, I know.
It was 2 minutes ago.
Michael's dad.
4 bars.
For you, but for me isn't. You got an earphone. Michael's dad rang him. He didn't answer somehow. Dad.
He didn't answer.
He didn't answer. We're not meant to be here. Michael!
He jinxed it.
Michael! We should
take
take.
a photo of me here.
Yeah, sure. We're not gonna be that long.
Quickly, my friend's on calling, so
Yeah.
it'll be calm.
A few moments later.
What's that meant to say?
Play natural trail.
What happened to the P?
You found a river! Whoa! John, I did the same thing as you. What do you mean you found the river? I went go ahead. stop. That's the main road. Road, Nani? Dalang mo dito.
Wiper turn off. Thanks for watching my first tech video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell.